Those are good days. So for my accomplishment today for the WSOF, so what I did so far is I did around three sections, but the third section is not really done yet. So it took me a lot of time because right here on the hero section, it has a lot of overlays. So and I have to reposition every details here since it's all overlay. But this one is not really done yet because I have to ask a sermon for the resource on the video. Because this one is a video on the background, and these shadows right here are just the overlay. So when we go to mobile, so as you can see here, I've already worked this out, but this will change because it's not the final yet for the mobile since the uh, because I have to attach the video. So first thing you'll notice is there's a lot of space here because I'm using the picture and the picture is not mid-cut yet. So I have to ask Serman about the video. So it took a lot of space just to show this image right here, the background image. And then after that, the second section, which is here. So also on the layout, on the navbar and footer, I also added a simple animation for the hover effect, such as this underline, and there's a shadow. And with the button, it goes in scales whenever we hover. So same thing as here. So, and also on the footer, this here. Then Korea, Korea. So I'm done with the layout, but I think I'm going to change the navigation on the menu because uh, because of the overlay, it causes too much conflicts, such as here, which is the menu. It overlaps on the menu, so I might have to change the menu. That will uh, much more focus on the details instead of just getting overlapped by the sections of the page. So I'm gonna change that. So the next one is right here. Skip the skip the background because it has animation and I have to ask Sermon about the background right here because they seem to be exported as a group. So I'm not really sure since I'm not good with exporting. So I might need his help. So I'm going to ask tomorrow about the background. Right after I finish all the sections, then I might add, and then I'll add the background images and also the video. The next is here, which is the most. I mean, one of the hardest part of the section, which is the third one. Because Sermon wanted the animation for this. So what I will do for now, because I want to make the animation as the last one. I will prioritize it as the last one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to have this section, then this one on the under here, then this one also, then the others. So every section of this is I'm going to just add it here, or I might add like a carousel. So I'm not really sure. I've just initially wanted to put all the details so that when I'm doing the animation, it's much more easier. Then I think I have an idea to do the animation, but this one right here, the status is I'm not really sure how, but I'm not really sure if my idea will work. And then the locking section that I have is this one, the successful projects. This one is much more easier than the other sections because of their a lot of overlays. And this one I just have to reuse the old on the old WSoft. So I'm just gonna use that one section and then this one. So it has overlay. It has a overlay again, but I think it's much more simpler. And that's all for the homepage. So I'm looking around one, two, three. So around three sections. Then I'm going to change the navbar for the mobile. So the animation, I'm going to make it. I will prioritize it as the last. So I'm just going to finish all the sections, then proceed to the about us. About us much more, I think, simpler than the homepage because it has a lot of details, a lot of overlays. So it's taking me too much time because the animation is full. So I'm not going to take for the animation right now. I just want to focus first on making all the sections of every pages. So the lacking here is just the right side, which is the image part, and then the status. So that's all for my progress for today.